Unraveling the meaning behind Footbridge to Peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, footbridge to peace. This expression is rich in imagery and metaphor, making it a perfect topic for our discussion. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the layers of meaning behind this phrase. First, let's break down the phrase into its components, footbridge and peace. A footbridge is a bridge designed for pedestrians to cross over an obstacle, like a river or railway, not accessible by larger vehicles. It symbolizes a connection, a way over or through something that might be difficult to navigate. Peace, on the other hand, is a state of tranquility or quietness, free from disturbance or conflict. It's often sought after as an ideal state of being, both internally within oneself and externally in the world around us. When we combine these terms, footbridge to peace conjures up a powerful metaphor. It suggests a path or a journey toward achieving peace. This can be interpreted in many ways depending on the context. Personal growth. On a personal level, it might represent the internal journey one takes to find inner peace, overcoming personal obstacles or conflicts. Social harmony. In a societal context, it could symbolize efforts to bridge divides between communities or nations, aiming for harmony and understanding. Conflict resolution. It might also refer to the process of resolving conflicts, whether they're interpersonal, within families, or between countries. The phrase, footbridge to peace, can be used in various contexts to inspire hope and encourage progress toward peace. It's particularly impactful in speeches, literature, and even in discussions about mental health or diplomacy. By visualizing peace as a destination that can be reached by crossing a bridge, it emphasizes the idea that while the journey may require effort, patience, and understanding, achieving peace is possible. To deepen our understanding, let's consider how this metaphor can be represented visually and in literature. Visuals. Imagine a serene painting or photograph showing a footbridge arching over a tumultuous river, leading to a calm and lush landscape. This imagery can powerfully symbolize the transition from chaos to peace. Literature. Poets and writers often use bridges as symbols of transition and transformation. In the context of footbridge to peace, literature can explore themes of reconciliation, the journey towards self-discovery, and the quest for societal peace. The phrase, footbridge to peace, is a beautiful metaphor that captures the essence of the human condition and our eternal quest for peace. Whether it's the peace within ourselves, in our relationships, or between nations, this phrase reminds us that though the path may be challenging, it's a journey worth taking. We hope this exploration inspires you to reflect on your own bridges to peace and how you can contribute to making the world a more peaceful place. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every step towards understanding the language and its metaphors is a step towards understanding each other better. See you in the next video.